Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to link Supabase to Antigravity. First, open your browser and go to your Supabase dashboard. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for your profile or account section. From there, go to Account Preferences. Inside this area, you will find a section called Access Tokens. Now, create a new access token. Click on the button to generate a token. You will be asked to give it a name. You can name it something easy to remember, like Antigravity Link. After creating the token, copy it immediately and store it somewhere safe. This token is important because it allows Antigravity to securely connect with your Supabase project. Next, open Antigravity. Once the application is open, look for the menu option that shows 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open more options. From the drop-down menu, find and click on MCP servers. Inside the MCP server section, you will see a list of available integrations. Use the search feature and type Supabase. When you find the Supabase MCP server, click on the Install button. During the installation process, you will be asked to enter your access token. Paste the token you copied earlier from Supabase. Double-check to make sure it is correct, then continue. Once the setup is complete, your Supabase account will now be connected to Antigravity. This allows both systems to work together smoothly. Thanks for watching.